Discover how to make your first dollar online. Fact: digital marketers can make an average of $30 to $100 per hour with these secrets to multiple streams of passive income online. Throughout the years, we have changed thousands of lives globally, and many of them are still active members of our amazing internet entrepreneurship community. Who else wants to join them and be the next to generate these guaranteed instant results this year? Alas! To make your first dollar, $1,000 or even $100, you must first be able to earn your first dollar. That's why we are here, to teach you everything you need to know to make that first dollar, so you can earn even more after that. Join us for our upcoming 100% free mini course to discover exactly how you can start getting online results immediately. Discover the secrets to creating a simple one-page website and promoting products for commissions, enabling you to generate an extra 4 or 5 figures a month in passive income from work done just once. Yes, we've cracked this whole thing wide open, simplified it into a basic system, and it's now become the easiest and simplest thing you have ever seen. Register right now to learn more, and we will see you at the top.